The transitional leadership and the principal stakeholders of African Democratic Congress, ADC, in Borno State reaffirm with unshakable resolve our absolute endorsement of the constitutional mandated Borno State Transitional Committee and the Membership Registration Committee chaired by duly appointed Alhaji Ali Bukar Wurge, which is my humble self. This declaration is born from a blood of the wreckage of democracy attack by those who claim to serve it. We inequivocally, firstly, condemn the cowardly, predetermined political terrorism authenticated by desperate offshoot of the criminal syndicate during the solemn inauguration of a transitional committee. This was not a protest, it was authenticated violence against democratic order. These thugs obeyed the order of political despot descended upon legitimate party function with barbaric savagery, destroying the 8 vehicles belonging to our members and vandalizing the police vehicles, assaults on a very symbol of state authority. The beat and maim 11 innocent souls, including police officers who stood as a shield of the constitutional order, fulfilling their scared duty to protect democratic assembly. This fascist violence mocked every principle of civilized politics. Our hearts bleed for injured. We extend the deep solidarity of our 11 wounded Patriot Party members, Party Peaceful, bleed for democratic cause. To the police officers who suffered injury with defending our democratic right, we owe and you, your families, and your colleagues in Nigerian police force. This attack on you is an attack on every law-abiding citizen. Justice will be served. We categorically reject the desperate fabrication of political miscreants attempting to vanish their violent desperation with lying rhetoric. Our committees are ironical and established in full conformity with ADC Constitution. And election guidelines is reaffirmed by Supreme Authority of National Working Committee. The NWC, any denial is not misinformation, it is seditious sabotage. These atrocities will crystallize our mission. The enemies of progress will burn democracy's house to preserve their corrupt power. Our recognition is not longer strategic, it is survival. We are accelerating the mobilization of the patriot and strategic defectors from APC, PDP, LP, NNPC, PRP, and for PIT ADC, structure for forge and indestructible democratic force. The Transitive Committee is our command center for democratic liberation and energized to shatter APC tyrannical grip on Borno. Directive total party actors. Cease immediately from any utterance and action fractures our unity. The National Working Committee sanctioned agenda in our only part. The ADC Constitution is supreme law, not a menu for political dwarfs to pick from. No individual, however prominent, transcends institutional authority. The National Working Committee decisions are final and abiding. We are building a revolutionary mandate, dismantle ABC misgovernance, and bust transformative governance through disciplined, unified, and constitutional political action. To the injured patriots and brave police officers, we pledge total victory. In your name, unity is mandatory. Fragmentation is betrayal. We shall not cowed by primitive violence. ADC Borno is unshakable, unconquerable, and ready to reclaim our state from tyranny jaws. The moment for decisive unity action is now. Long life ADC, long life Borno